Hi, Science Squad. So I wanted to show you exactly how I want you to do your observations for your cities for around the world. So before we get started, I just wanted to mention that you need to be collecting this information at the same time for 5 days. So this is going to be really easy if you are on campus because you should be doing science during your science time. So before you do your science work or after you do your science work, you want to go ahead and fill out your weather chart. If you're at home and you're on kind of your own schedule, you want to tell your parents to set a reminder or a timer to be doing your weather chart every single day because we'll be looking at this Monday. Um, you don't want to do it at like 6 o'clock in the morning one day and then like 12 p.m. the next day because your data is going to be wrong, and we're looking at those patterns. So we're doing any city in the world because I find it really interesting that places around the world have very, very drastically different weather. So this is the chart that you're going to be have filled out. You want to just document where that time of day is that you're going to do it, just so that way you have a reminder and I can kind of see the time for your weather chart. And then I have a compass right here, which is going to help with this wind speed and direction. So you're going to just think about whatever city you want in the world. And if you can't come up with a city, you can look up a country or a continent or something like that, and it will give you some cities from there. So let's see if Australia will pop up. Oh, there we go. Australia. Let's do this one. So I need to keep this in mind. So I'm going to put here as well city I chose. And then this is just going to be a text box for you all to kind of fill out when you are doing your weather chart. Okay, so let's look here. So today's date, Miss Vala is recording this early. So I put today's date, the current temperature. Now, when I'm finding the current temperature, it's right here. It's 76 degrees as of right now. So I need to also put the time of day for my weather chart. So it is 11:25. Okay. Now I need to look at the temperature high and low, which that is right here, 83 and 74. So I can either copy and paste this onto my chart or I can just type it out, but I'm on a time crunch, so I'm just going to copy and paste it. Your precipitation is how much it rains, and that's right here. There's a 20% chance of rain through 4 a.m. So I'm just going to put 20% of rain. Now it's getting kind of hard to toggle back and forth. And then when you're putting the percentage sign, you want to push shift and 5, and that's going to give you the percentage sign. But it's kind of hard for me to toggle back and forth. So I'm going to put this in split screen mode. And then I also need to fill out the city that I chose. Don't forget to do that like Miss Zavala just did. We'll fix that later. Okay, the wind speed and the direction. That's when your compass is going to come in handy. So your wind speed is 6 miles per hour, and then it gives you a little arrow, and that tells you to the direction. If you don't know your cardinal directions, I put a compass for you right here. So it's pointing this way. So if I look on my compass, this right here is northwest. So I put northwest and then 6 miles per hour. Then we want to do cloud coverage. You need to go on a different website for your cloud coverage, and it's this site right here. And I want to make sure that I have the exact same city. So I'm just going to copy this and paste this into this little magnifying glass right here. And it's going to give me my cloud coverage. It's pretty cloudy there, 92%. So when I fill out my cloud coverage, it would be 96. And there you go. Every day you need to fill this out. Bye, squad.